This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Jackie Kersey. A little bit about me: I'm a beautiful, well-maintained, like brand new home that wants to become part of your memories that you will be making. I offer an open floor plan on my main level, which is perfect for entertaining. Not to brag, but I have a walk-in pantry, soft close cabinets, and granite countertops in the kitchen. Upstairs there's a spacious main bedroom with vaulted ceiling, bathroom ensuite with soaking tub, great after those long days at work, and large walk-in closet. My other two bedrooms are nicely sized, as well. I have a loft, which would be a great hangout space, another full bath, and laundry closet. Don't worry about storage, my 2-car garage has awesome built-ins. Guess what? I also have a 220V 50 amp electric car charger. I'm situated on a corner lot, with a great sized, fenced-in, backyard too, complete with a storage shed.